Hey, this is James Glass here working on the big tiny home, and I wanted to show you a way that you can design a sill plate to add a protective bug shield. So here's my trailer, and I'm putting on new siding and removing the aluminum siding and installing this 29 gauge 5V. And so I have, for skirting, 8-inch block that goes 2 feet down on a footing. And then I have this little knee wall between the trailer and and the and the concrete. And so what I did is I put down a pressure treated 2x8 for a sill plate, which I gasketed and urethaned, and you can see that here. That's the first step in keeping the bugs out. And then this is Cobra Venting that I trimmed down. I left I put the sill plate back about 3/4 of an inch to a half an inch from the outside of the block wall, and my sole plate for my knee wall is in line with the wall, and it's in line with the trailer, so I can bring the siding down. But this little recess here is just for Cobra Venting. And so you can, it's hard to see in the video, but I'm just cutting strips of Cobra Venting that's 1.5 inches and tucking it in here. And by doing that, any insects that crawl up, the first barrier to their entry into the crawl space is this Cobra Venting. Now, there'll be Tyvek here, obviously siding Tyvek. There'll be R2 polystyrene. There are multiple barriers for insect infiltration, but by making this small adjustment and leaving this gap here, you can add one more layer of protection for pest control.